it's Elizabeth from Madera Green Moments. Today I have something exciting I'm going to unbox and share with you guys. Christmas is over. Still have the Christmas tree up, but it's December 26th. See if I can get this edited and posted very quickly for you guys. I shared in my last video, or a couple of videos ago, about how I lost 20 pounds. So it may not seem like a huge milestone, but I've lost it and kept it off. And I have been doing some really cool stuff to stay in shape and to get myself back on track. But I'm starting a brand new program and I ordered all this awesome stuff. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got. I haven't opened up the boxes or anything yet and wanted to share with you. So a ton of you guys messaged me and wanted to know what I was doing, how I was doing it, and can you be part of what I'm doing. So here's what I decided to do. I'm going to talk with you as I unbox this. I decided we all need accountability, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start January 1st a clean eating group, accountability group for a week to try to get us all back on track. So January 1st, we're going to do an accountability group. I'm going to start also a separate challenge group starting, I think, like January 14 for this new program I'm going to be starting, which I'm really excited about. And it's called Transform 20. I'm not sure if you've heard of Sean T before. I did the size workouts with him. I didn't actually do it with him. It's like a video, but he leads it, and it's like workouts, but they're dances. And so this is like a whole nother program. It's like a step workout. So I'm unboxing all the stuff that I got. I also ordered, I think I ordered a shirt because they were on sale. What does this one say? It says, today I get to work out, and it's crossing out have to. So that's kind of cool. And it's, oh, it's like a really like deep side. I won't be wearing this out in public, but you can wear a sports bra definitely underneath it. And then the bottom says 21 Day Fix, because that is the program that changed my life. Portion control containers, making it fun. And then Autumn Calabrese is just, if I'm saying her name right, she rocks my world. She's really awesome. But I also ordered, it looks like there's lots of stuff in here. Okay, so I got a shaker cup for my superfood protein shake, which I take every day. I've been taking it for years and years and years, like 4 years. It's vegan chocolate Shakeology, and I've got a killer recipe because I've had a whole bunch of you telling me that with protein powders, you don't like the way they taste or they taste funny. I've got a killer recipe. If you guys want to see that, let me know, and I will do a video sharing with you guys how it tastes delicious. But I got that, and I have no idea what all this stuff is, so I've just got a bunch of stuff in here. It's probably all going with this new program, but we had fun Christmas. I don't know about you guys, but we have a lot of carbs on Christmas, so today is back to normal for Elizabeth. So I will have my shake as one of my meals, and I will have, what else am I gonna have? Veggies, fruit. We're also going to the movies, and we have popcorn, so that'll be the fun. Okay. I think this is like a white dry erase board for my progress. So, wall calendar tracker, hanging instructions. So this all came with my Transform 20. That'll be fun. So I love a tracker. The only thing I don't like about the dry erase is then you don't get to keep it to see. It's erasable, so it's reusable. So if you're practical, this is really cool. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then it has T1, T2, T3. So I wonder if those are different levels. I'm gonna figure it out. And if any of you guys are doing Transform 20 with me, you will figure it out with me. We will do it together. But I just figured, I've had so many of you guys message me that you need support on this journey. So we're gonna do this free group starting January 1. I will either link it down below or find me Madera Green Moments on Facebook or on Instagram, and I will link that down below so that you can find me. Okay, so this is a challenge pack. Get results with your challenge pack. Congratulations, by purchasing this challenge pack, you've made a life-changing decision to get results you've always wanted. So now what? I get support from my coach, I get my shake, I get to do Beachbody on demand. Cool. All right, so I hit myself, lots of information. shake recipes. So I have my tried and true recipe. It took a while to get there because the very first time I tried the Shakeology, I was like, bleh. But now it's delicious. All right, so this is it. My Transform 20 Get Started pack. So I've got to digest all this info so that those of you that want to do it with me, I can share with you what I'm learning. And if you guys want to see more videos on this, let me know. It looks like I've got some stickers to go on my step. A nutrition guide. I'm looking forward to checking that out. A 6-week tracker. I love that because I love tracking my progress. And then a Get Started booklet. Now you can purchase Transform 20 with the step and without. I think you don't have to use it with the step. And this comes out January 14, like that's when we can start doing it. But I think if you purchase it, try not to cut myself here, you can try out 2 of the workouts ahead of time. So it's December 26th, so I'm gonna try the workouts ahead of time. And I remember, I don't know about you guys, I wonder if this program is gonna be anything like when we did the step aerobics in high school. Any of you guys do step aerobics? I loved step aerobics in high school, so much so that my PE aerobic teacher told me, you know, someday you'd make a great aerobics instructor. So I have no plans on being an aerobics instructor. However, if you want to walk this health and fitness journey with me, we can definitely do that. Now, if you want to see my how I lost 20 pounds video, that's only a couple of videos back, so you can check that out. How I did it and why was the more important thing. And I think that's why I've kept the 20 pounds off, but I still have a ways to go. So I'm not in like tip-top perfect shape where I want to be. I definitely have like 30 more pounds that I'd like to lose. So I know a lot of you ladies said the same thing, that you want like 30 more pounds, tighten up. All right, step pieces look like they're here. They're gonna go on either side. So I'm looking forward to doing this, and I think more so than just losing the weight myself, but keeping others accountable and knowing that we're in this together, because that's the hardest part, is when you're doing this on your own and you're thinking, I can't do this by myself. But if you have somebody keeping you accountable, so that's what I'm thinking about the, as I put this in front of the camera, that's what I'm thinking with the free group, starting the free clean eating group for the first week, so we can kind of like walk this out together. And then if this is something you want to do, we can do the step Transform 20 together. I think this makes it harder, like another level up. So anyway, so this is what I got. I got my shakes, I got my step, I've got, yeah, this makes it higher. And I am super excited to start this new process. Do you have something you guys are doing starting January? Are you like me, you know, we start fresh in January? Or have you been staying clean this whole time and eating clean? I definitely had mashed potatoes and stuffing and rolls and good stuff Christmas Day. So definitely starting clean eating again today. But new group to keep each other accountable on this awesome journey starting January 1st. So I'll give you guys more info. See, it started with just the yellow, and then I added the black one and then the black one. So it's like the higher it is, the harder it's gonna be. I remember this. Who else remembers using a step? So I think you can get it without the step, but I definitely wanted to give it everything I've got here. So there we go. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.